Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two titans of the 3D printing world, the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the Creality K1C. Who will reign supreme? Let's dive right in and find out. First up, let's talk about price. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Mars 4, priced at a modest $309. On the right, we have the Creality K1C, which will set you back a whopping $699. That's right, folks, almost double. So if you want to keep your wallet happy, ELEGOO Mars 4 is your new BFF. But hey, maybe you're into expensive hobbies. We don't judge. Next, let's get speedy. The ELEGOO Mars 4 boasts a maximum printing speed of 70 millimeters per hour. Not bad, right? But wait, the Creality K1C comes in hot with a max speed of 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per square second. That's like comparing a turtle to a cheetah. If you're impatient and want your prints faster than your morning coffee, the K1C is your jam. Now, let's talk about quality and features. ELEGOO Mars 4 has a 7-inch 9K LCD screen with a resolution of 8500/4320. It's like having a mini IMAX theater for your prints. Plus, it has a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs, making your model details look more realistic than your ex's excuses. But the K1C isn't backing down. It has a clog-free direct extruder and a tri-metal unicorn nozzle. Yes, you heard that right, a unicorn nozzle. It supports carbon fiber filaments and has hands-free auto calibration. It's like having a butler for your 3D printer. Fancy? ELEGOO Mars 4 comes with Voxel Dance Tango slicing software and a 3.5-inch touchscreen for model preview. It's got 3 printing modes and is open source, so you can tinker around like a mad scientist. Plus, they offer a 1-year warranty. Customer service? Check. On the flip side, the Creality K1C has Creality OS, which is completely open source and supports custom optimization. It even has an AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. Who needs a babysitter when you have an AI camera, right? Plus, it has a silent mode that keeps the noise down to 45 decibels. Perfect for those late-night printing sessions when you don't want to wake up the entire neighborhood. ELEGOO Mars 4 comes with a laser-carved build plate for better adhesion and a stable printing process. It's like the super glue of build plates. Meanwhile, the K1C features a carbon fiber reinforced chamber and a 300 degrees Celsius hot end. It's built like a tank and can handle high temp and wear-resistant filaments. Talk about durability. Reviewers have a lot to say about both of these 3D printers. The ELEGOO Mars 4 is praised for its high-quality prints and affordability, making it a great choice for both hobbyists and professionals. However, some users find the instruction manual lacking and have noted that proper calibration and maintenance are key to getting the best results. On the other hand, the Creality K1C receives mixed reviews. While some users rave about its speed, ease of use, and advanced features like auto bed leveling and an AI camera, others have encountered quality control issues, such as defective units and malfunctioning components. Despite these setbacks, those who receive a functioning unit seem to be very satisfied with its performance. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Mars 4 and the Creality K1C, two amazing 3D printers with their own unique strengths. If you're on a budget and want great quality, the ELEGOO Mars 4 is your go-to. But if you're looking for speed, advanced features, and don't mind splurging a bit, the Creality K1C is your best bet. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and keep printing. Product links are in the description.